Alright, YouTube. It's been a while since I've posted or made a video. I had some stuff saved on my phone, but I accidentally deleted it. But it is what it is. So, but this is what I've been up to. I made my own little custom gauge setup. I didn't go with the 12.3 Holley because I didn't want to hack all this up. It just doesn't, it's not for me. So I did my own little custom setup. Of course, I got the 6.6. I got water, fuel, voltage. Also got this. Had to represent for my kids. Found out that their grandfather's Haitian, so had to rep. But back to this. This is my custom setup. I don't have everything, buttoned down right now. The voltage meter being below this doesn't too much bother me because I can still read it. And if it was that low, it'd be super dead anyway. But let me see. Let's see. I'll show you that this works. So got turn signals. I had it done before. I might still have a video or a picture or something, but it sat too low, like it was too far down. I didn't like where it sat, so I had to move it up. Had to go buy some ABS plastic. The previous bezel he did, he threw it away, so I can't show you that, but I just gotta button it up. But I gotta go to Fastenal. I'm not gonna lie, I actually lost some of these black screws that go in here from when I initially took this off. But this is my custom setup, and yeah, that's that. I just had to do something different. I didn't want to be like everybody else. I had to do something a little outside the box. I didn't want Dakota Digital. How they did the cutlass gauges is terrible to me. Like I said, I didn't want to do the 12.3. I wasn't about to hack all this up just to have something sit up in here, especially considering how much it cost. This is also what I did. So if I gotta upload a tune, I got this. So yeah, just all the work in progress, man. All the work in progress. This is just to show y'all that I've still been working. I gotta go back and find me somebody who can hydro dip a lot better, because this is terrible, as you can see. So I gotta find me somebody who can hydro dip a lot better. But it's all just a work in progress. Coming together slowly but surely. I'm inserting this picture right here to show where the Pro Dash previously sat. As you can see, it was just a little too low, so I had to move it up for me. Alright, I got this also. Follow me on Instagram, you've seen it, but a little more of a backstory. Of course, if you watch Martin, if you've seen the DMV episode, this is where this came from, but this was an inside joke between me and my brother who got killed 3 years ago. We used to always just call each other Almondy, just being weird. So I got this plate to remember him by, because this car is actually a tribute to him. So he's the person that also got me into G-bodies. Because when I first moved to Ohio, I was into tuner cars. Like Fast and the Furious was everything to me. But got me into G-bodies more so along the lines of like muscle cars and all that type of shit. So got this to honor my brother. So that's a little backstory on these on this plate and why I decided to go with Almondy. Other than also, that was one of our favorite episodes on Martin, so had to do it one time.